Hey guys, Windows running sluggish? Let's fix that. So there is one feature by Windows, okay? Let's disable that first and I will explain what is that feature. So on Windows 11, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your search bar here and type in settings, okay? So click on that. Sorry, my Windows is a bit slow. Okay, so here you can see Windows Update. Click on that and then you can see something called advanced options. Click on that and from there you're going to find something called delivery optimization. Click on that and then here you can just disable it. Okay, so when you turn it off, it will everything this will be grayed out and you're done for Windows 11. Okay guys, so for Windows 10 it's very simple. You're going to go into Windows Update. Okay, in your settings just search here, check for updates, and then you'll have this page open. Okay, and then you're going to go into advanced options. Okay, here you can see something called delivery optimization. Click on that and then here just turn it off. So that's all for Windows 10. Okay guys, so the reason for delivery optimization to be off, okay, it's a feature to optimize Windows for downloading updates and apps. So this feature will allow True Network to share the updates from another PC peer-to-peer connection or a different server. Okay, so it will download it from that PCs and it will apply here, so it will reduce the amount of time it needs to download. Okay, so by default it's turned off, and if you don't even have any other computers, it will still be running and eating up your RAM. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, folks.